My point of view and my analysis in regards to the indices and how to look at them using volume profile and volume-based indicators such as volume profile here, and then there's this SAL indicator, which indicates the heavy entries that are put by the market makers or trading bots, regardless, or trading entities. This is the biggest entry that is pending in the market. Okay, this is on the ES, on the Nasdaq, NDX, of course SPX. It's the CFD version of the ES futures. On the Nasdaq, you see the Nasdaq, this is the biggest one. I can put up to 50 levels of pending orders or markets entries that are pending to be executed. But this is the biggest one sitting right here, as you see. All right. Meanwhile, the Dow on the daily, see the biggest one is sitting here, the magenta line. Okay, this is all on the CFDs, the Dow USD, the NDX USD, and the SPX USD. So I posted the ES on my Telegram channel for the members. Look, I said SPX showing a huge SAL indicator right here at the bottom. This is the picture. I just posted this now, right? This is SPX CFD. Now, is it a coincidence that the futures CFD or the futures contract for ES showing the same at the very bottom, right? It is showing the same attraction. So there is attraction for the indices to collapse. I will do the Nasdaq now, okay? The NDX. And here, look at this is the NDX. You see it right here. I posted to the members. And look at the Nasdaq future September contract, showing exactly the same. These are two different markets, folks. One of them, the futures market, Nasdaq, and the other one is a CFD, spot market. Two different markets, two different data feeds, both of them showing interest for the markets to come back much lower. Okay, is it tradable at this time? No, it's not. But we see that there's interest for the market makers to bring it down because I can see the heavy entries or the heavy pending orders pending there. And remember, this is the heaviest level. I can put up to 50. And next is the Dow. I am looking at the Dow US, and the Dow has not made a new high, so the Dow is the only logical instrument that will help me, look at the other instruments and maybe use it as a directional instrument for the rest. The Dow is showing a very nice attraction lower right here. This is the magenta line that we call the SAL indicator, and I see a rejection level higher. This is the Dow. So what does that mean? Look at the Dow, which is here. This is the Dow CFD spot market, and this is the Dow or YM futures, which is the Dow in the futures market September contract, showing the same. So both futures markets, all futures markets in the indices and the spot FX spot CFDs are showing the same, right? Showing the same interest. Now, how would I be able to trade this? Now, I cannot do, from my point of view, from my philosophy in trading, I cannot get involved with the SPX or the NDX now for swing trading. Why? Because I don't really have a stop loss. I don't have a location for my stop loss. It's higher. It's all-time highs. So what I would be using, I'll be using the Dow. This is the Dow, and it has a very big rejection area right here in this area, right? It could be here, it could be a bit higher, but this coincides also with my 987 tick chart Fibonacci. So this is what it does. So now, see, this is 62%. Let me remove the arrow. Okay, and let me remove the line, and you will see this is 62% Fibonacci level. Let me add the line back, because now if we have the Dow going back up, it will help me determine the rejection areas with the Dow, and then I'll wait for the rest of the indices maybe to start making lower lows for me to be able to catch that swing short that I'm looking for. Make sense?